Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account or set up your Notion AI account here. So Notion AI is very similar to the ChatGPT, which is a chatbot, but this is have much more option than ChatGPT here. You can use for much more. You can use it for your working projects or productivity here. As you can see, go to the products here. You can go to the for projects, docs, and also there's so much template you can use here. So to create an account or set up your Notion AI here, you just have to click on try Notion free, or you have to click get started here because it's free right now. So create an account while it's free. After that, you have to enter your email address here to sign up with your email here. Then they will send you a temporary code in your email to sign up in the Notion AI here. You just have to go to your email here to check the code here. So after logging to your Gmail, as you can see, Notion just sent up a sign up temporary link here. So you just have to paste the code in the, you can just go to the link here, or you just have to paste the code in the Notion AI account creation page there. Then you just have to create a username here, and then you just have to set a password for your Notion AI account here. Then you just have to click continue here. Then you have to choose how are you planning to use Notion AI. So I'm going to choose for personal use here. You can use for school, or you can also choose the for my team here. Then you have to select what kind of work do you do. You can choose any other thing from your human resource IT. So I'm just going to click other here. Then you have to choose what is your role here. So I'm going to choose using Notion just for myself. And you have to choose what are you going to do with it. So I'm just going to click other here, or write with AI. Click continue here. Then your Notion AI account is ready and Notion AI is set up here. So at the first interface will look like this. This will show you how to use this. So click anywhere to write, just typing here, and you can just type slash and it will start the template here. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use this. For example, there's a lot of template in the left here. You can use it. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.